So I'm installing our Ryco street legal kit, and we've upgraded to the integrated LED daytime running light modules. This is stock. This is the Ryco unit. So you can see I've already torn down my driver's side, and I'll go through the passenger side. First thing you want to do is remove this panel, and there's a number of fasteners. You have 3 10mm bolts here, which I'll remove now. Okay. And then you have these Allen head fasteners here. If you have a windshield, you have to remove it to get clearance. Okay, 2 of those, and then underneath the fender well you have 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. The 3 at the top, and then 1 facing forward. So let me get those. Sort of hidden in a nook. That last one's kind of in the pointy section of this fender. Okay. So once you have that, pull this fender back, and there's a 10mm bolt here. Let me show you that. Just pull your fender back, and there's that last bolt. Okay. Once you have that out, top piece pops out. The side. So now you can remove this piece here, and it's just automotive stock clips. It's just clipped in. Okay, and then for your fender, there's a little tab here that goes in the notch there. Pull that out. Okay. And then you have some push pins. Here's one. Let me show you that. There's a push pin right here, and that's where that other bolt was. Okay, then remove this push pin. And finally, there's a Allen head screw here. Allen button head, I guess. So once you have that removed, you can pull this apart, and there's a screw there, and 2 screws right there. So I need 2 size Phillips screwdrivers. This inner bolt, you can get a stubby in there. There's that. And then the two back here are pretty easy. Move the camera here. Trick is to pull the fender out, and then you can pull this out more, and then you have enough room to get these screws. And this bottom one, I believe I used a long one. Just manipulate the bodywork. Okay. And that's it. You just unplug it. These zip ties are reusable, so just turn the tab in. Undo the connector. And that's it. Installation is reverse. Just a trick with this front tab. Use a small jeweler's screwdriver and use it as a shoehorn to get that tab back in there. So just to show you the difference between the stock on the left and the Ryco upgraded driving lights on the right. The Ryco, it's brighter versus the stock. And there's with the turn signal activated. So I don't think I covered the brake interface, the strobe light for the Ryco in my last video. So that's the wire they're talking about. And you just strip back some of the sheathing, install your tap on the yellow wire, and then I'll wrap this with electrical tape to help weather protect it. One nice upgrade I've noticed with this new Ryco kit is they now include a proper connector, so it's actually plug and play for the power. Before you'd have to take this end and splice it in and make your own connector, but now they provide it for you, so that's nice. Okay, so last time I actually took the passenger footwell out to run the wires, and I got lazy this time. So did my normal fishing through here to here. I'm just using my little grab it tool because it can reach all those locations. I took the seat out. I'm running the wire along here, and then I'm taking this, I'm fishing it here, or you can push it through this way to get it over to here. And then the important part is to get some slack and then push the wire to the floorboard, because you don't want it against any of this hot stuff. And I just use the back of an arrow tip to help push it down. And then it's pretty easy from there. Once again, these zip ties are reusable. You just push a tab up and open them up. So I removed 0 body panels on the interior on this install. I only had to remove the passenger seat to kind of get access to this portion right here.